Have you seen everyone on the internet talking about artificial intelligence? It's trending everywhere. But AI is not new at all. It actually started back in 1950s, but due to low hardware power and limited data, it stayed in shadows. But with the launch of ChatGPT, AI exploded. And now it is everywhere. Hello, I'm Arman Laliwala, passionate about artificial intelligence and machine learning, building and solving real world problems and turning businesses into intelligence. So, what is AI? AI is artificial intelligence, a machine that can learn and think like humans. The most important thing in AI is data. The better your data, the better your model performs. Training an AI model follow full life cycle from data collection, building, testing and deploying. I will be soon uploading a playlist for that. So stay tuned. Since ChatGPT's rise, AI is full on race. Bard, Perplexity, Claude, DeepSeek, everyone wants a lead in AI. Now AI is integrated in every business and every tool. But do we really need AI everywhere? AI isn't a future, it's present. But the question is, are you ready for the race? Have you ever wondered how does ChatGPT, face recognition and self-driving car works? It starts with a process that every AI model follow, from data preparing to deploy. I am starting a new series where I will break down the model development lifecycle. The same process is followed by AI engineer at Google, Tesla and Meta. If you are a student, beginner or aspiring AI/ML developer, then this video will help you step by step map how AI system really build, train and deploy. In next 7 days, I will be explaining each phase in simple and practical way. Data collection, data pre-processing, model training, model testing, model evaluation, AI inference, and model deployment. By end of this series, you will be able to explain AI workflow with confidence, and even you can build your own AI systems in the right way. Tomorrow we kick off with data collection. Where do you find data? And what make data useful or useless? And I even show you from where pro get their data. If you are serious about AI/ML, this is your series. Hit follow and save this reel. We are going step by step, one day at a time. Let's build the model, the smart garbage in, garbage out. If your data is bad, your AI model will fail no matter how powerful algorithm you use. That's why today we are talking about the most important step, data collection. So, what is data collection? It is a process of gathering information from which your model will learn. This could be image, audio, text or video, depending on your project. There are two main ways to collect data. First, public dataset. Websites like Kaggle repositories and Google dataset have thousands of dataset ready for you. Second, collect your own data. This is what big companies do. Netflix uses your user behavior. Tesla collect data from sensor and many businesses scrape website for information. And here's a tip you can't ignore. More data is good, but quality matters than quantity. Always aim for clean, relevant and unbiased data. This was data collection, the very foundation step of every AI project. Tomorrow we'll dive into data preprocessing, understanding why cleaning and organizing data is crucial before training your model. You have collected data, but can you use it right away? No. Raw data is messy, missing values, duplicates, errors. That's why today we are talking about the second step, data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is all about preparing your raw data so your model can learn from it. If you skip this step, your model will give you wrong results. Here what we usually do, remove missing and duplicate values, handling outliers, normalize or scale the data for consistency, and converting text into number, techniques like encoding. In short, clean, organize and transform your data so the algorithm can understand it. Remember this, bad preprocessing is equal to bad prediction. This step decides the model will succeed or fail. So that's data preprocessing, the step that turns chaos to clarity. Tomorrow we finally move to the exciting part, model training. The final step where data meets the algorithm. Follow me so you don't miss it. Ever wonder how does AI learn to recognize faces, predict stop or driving cars? It all happens in this step, model training. Model training is when we feed clean data into algorithm so it can learn patterns and make predictions. We split the data into two parts, training and testing. The model learns from the training set and improve its accuracy by minimizing the errors. This is where the magic happens. That's model training, the brain building stage of AI. Tomorrow, model testing. How do we check if brain works? Your AI model is trained, but does it actually works? That's what we find out in model testing. Model testing is a step where we check the model's performance on the data it has never seen, the test set. Why? To make sure it's not just memorizing but actually learning. We use matrices like precision, accuracy, recall, and F1 score to measure the performance. If a model performs well here, then we can trust it on the real world prediction as well. That's model testing, the reality check of AI. Tomorrow, model evaluation. How do we analyze the results deeply? Follow so you don't miss it. So your model got 90% accuracy. Sounds great, right? Not really. Accuracy alone doesn't tell the full story. That's why we need model evaluation. Model evaluation deep digger into your model performance so we can know if it's ready for the real world data. We look at matrices like precision, recall, F1 score, and confusion matrix. Why? Because the real world data isn't perfect and neither your model. That's model evolution, the difference between good AI and a great AI. Tomorrow, AI inference. How a model make prediction in real time. Follow so you don't miss it. Ever wonder how does an AI make decision in real time? That magical step is known as AI inference. Look at this Tesla. It sees the road, understands the situation and takes a turn. That's AI inference. Inference is when your trained AI model takes new data and predict on it in real time. Like this robot, copying dance moves instantly. It's applying what it learned in real time. Every time Siri answer your question or Netflix recommend you a show, that's inference too. That's AI inference when your model start predicting in real time. But there is one last step, model deployment. Wait, your model is still in Jupyter Notebook. Bro, deploy it or delete it. If it's not deployed, it's just a smart paperweight. Deploy in 3 steps, fast and clean. Wrap it in Fast API, Dockerize it, launch to cloud or edge. Deploying is where value happens. Less talk, more deploy. Code, deploy, dominate.